Okay, before applying the textures, let's accommodate this little game window. Here at the bottom, we place the mouse here almost glued to the line, and we released it. Now we are going to select the terrain. We go here to the inspector and we select the latest texture painting tool. Here we are going to add a layer. The tool we import already has layers created. Then we are going to give it here in adding and select our base. Let's select from base to see here we have. Let's put this. Okay, now we select the grass here. And we go down here where it says layers properties. And here is where the color is the tint. Let's change the tint. Let's put a green color. To change the color of the grass to be a little more alive. Well, now let's add the paths. We need to add a new layer. Let's click here where it says add layer, and we will select another base. The basis for creating the paths. Let's put to see this is sand. This is. See which one would be good. We are going to select this. Now with that selected, let's put here the top view. We move it a little bit, we give it a little zoom. And more or less, to give us an idea of the thickness of the road, we can go back. And here we are going to generate some routes. One could say that the character can walk through. Let's see, let's make the brush a little bigger. Select this brush and make it bigger. There it is, more or less a little bigger. Remember that with A we can increase strength. And with the S the size. And we're going to make it a little bigger. There it is, more or less. Okay, now let's play a little bit with the brush. We can create paths, for example, for here and here. We put a small town. We can give it here, and here we put another small town. And we make a few paths. This one could grab this one. This could all along the shore of the lake by fishermen. Oh, you guys, let your imagination run wild. Well, for the time being, we are going to leave it at that. In the next video, we will add. This looks very simple, but when we add vegetation, the grass, trees, the water here, the filters in the mountains so that they do not look this bright, you will see that it will look very nice. We continue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next time.